Attend Slip Active are a range of all-in-one products designed to manage heavy incontinence. They are available in a range of sizes and absorbency levels. Before fitting Attend Slip Active, it is important that you measure your hips and waist and use the larger of the two to decide which size is correct for you. Open the product fully. The part with the wings and fixation tapes should go towards the back of your body. Gently cup and fold the pad lengthways, making sure the leakage barriers stand up. Now position the pad between your legs so that it fits snugly to your body. Gently pull the wings around to the front of the pad and use the blue positioning tapes to pre-apply the product on both sides. Then, fasten the tapes firmly onto the product. Do not fasten the tapes to your skin. Depending on the user's body shape, the wings may overlap, be close to each other, or be close to the edge of the slip. Before changing, always check the wetness indicator. If it has disappeared over half the length of the pad, we would recommend you change the product. Do you have any further questions? Don't hesitate to contact us.